Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to create a student LinkedIn profile. So one of the ways that I want to actually teach you is you need to prevent people from sharing your profile updates with your network. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click on me at the top, right? Go ahead to the settings and privacy. In the settings and privacy, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead to the visibility. In the visibility, what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll a little bit down and you're going to be able to see right here, share profile updates with your network, and make sure that this one is toggled off. All right. The second thing that I want to bring to your attention is editing your custom URL. And the way to do that is by going ahead right here to your avatar icon at the top right and click viewing your profile. And afterwards, you get to wait out for a few moments and you're going to be able to see the link right here at the top. You're going to be able to see, LinkedIn slash in and slash your URL, right? And if you want to change it, I suggest you change it because maybe you have a new account or something like that. Just go ahead right here and click public profile and URL, and they will direct you to the edit my profile. And basically you're gonna be able to change the URL from there and apply those settings, basically, right? And please make sure that you choose something easier to reach, right? Another thing that I want to bring to your attention is your profile photo. And as you can see right here, I don't have a photo on my LinkedIn, but it is very crucial to have profile picture or professional profile picture for your network, basically, or for your LinkedIn profile. And if you want to use another extra help to help you with having this profile picture, probably without any background or something like that, or probably with something else like removing your background and editing your background, what you're gonna do, I'm gonna give you two websites. One is background, all right, and basically gonna just type right here, let me just type background remover. Okay, this one website, all right, that I want to, and you can choose whatever website that you want, but be aware from the scammers. So I'm gonna just go ahead right here, type online background remover. You basically choose whatever website. I suggest you choose the first one and add your picture, and basically the background will be removed automatically, right? The second website that I want to bring to your attention is Canva, right? And Canva is a really amazing amazing website that allows you to design your own perfect avatar icon. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead into your Canva and you're gonna just type right here LinkedIn, right? LinkedIn profile, right? Profile picture or something like that, right? And they will design, or they will make a white blank picture suitable for your LinkedIn profile picture, and you're gonna just click this one, and you're gonna be able to see the workshop, basically, and you're gonna be able to add colors, whatever it might be, so you can use it for your own for your own LinkedIn profile, basically, right? So this is really, really important for you to add that professional picture for your for your colleagues and for your other people, basically, right? The second thing, or the third thing or fourth thing, I don't know actually, but the thing that I want to actually tell you also is the LinkedIn banner, right? So you need to have a LinkedIn background behind you right here, so you can have a better visual for your LinkedIn profile. And the way to do that is searching for LinkedIn banner. If you want to select one of those banners right here, free ones, or you can just do whatever. Maybe if you have already a background in your mind, just go ahead and work on that, right? So this is many templates that you could use for your LinkedIn. Some of them are free and some of them needs to be upgraded, but you're gonna be able to edit it within the workshop, basically, right? So after you've done now all of that and designed your own banner or whatever, right? What you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and perform keyword research, right? And basically in the keyword research, I want to I want to show you the I'm gonna just go ahead to this website called free word, right? Free word cloud, all right? Free word cloud generator. And this website allows you to have keywords for your research, basically, and you're gonna be able to generate like keywords that's suitable for your researchers, right? So basically you're gonna be able to use right here the keyword, and it's completely for free, so you get to be able to use it right here by clicking free word generator, and basically just select the word or the whatever it might be, and basically the website will generate it for you. Okay, and basically so you can get the research for your jobs or whatever might be onto your job research. Maybe you're looking for something like video editing or engineering or something like that. You're gonna be able to reach out, or you're gonna be able to get to those jobs after you've searched for different keywords for it, right? So it's very crucial to have that also in your packet. So another thing that I want to say, or I want to mention, is you need to write your own LinkedIn intro, right? And by doing that, you're gonna just go ahead to your profile, as we said before, and you're gonna be able right here to see your own profile. Scroll a little bit down, and then you're gonna be able to add a profile section. Basically, add about you, add your intro, education, position, career break, and this is really, really important because people will look into your experiences and see if you are a good match for their career, for their job or whatever it might be, right? So you need to add certification, unload everything that you take as a experience into your profile, so people have more reach or have more confidence that they picked the right person, right? And by entering your name, entering your availability or work, whatever it might be. Here it says open to hiring or open to providing service, and basically by hiring right here, that means that you are looking for people to hire, or maybe you are providing services right here. You're gonna be able to select whatever you actually want and follow the instructions. So basically, in a nutshell, that's how you actually create that student profile for your LinkedIn. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.